Hello and welcome to MathCast November 2020. The intended audience is grade 4. The learning objective is to multiply 2-digit multiples of 10 by 2-digit numbers using a place value chart. This is created by Rebecca Lugo. Before we begin, let's go over some vocabulary. We will go over what multiplication is and the associative property of multiplication. Multiplication. M times n means the total number of objects in m groups if there are n objects in each group. As we can see here, the multiplier is the number of equal groups times the multiplicand, which is the number of units in one group, equals the product, which is the number of units in m groups. For example, if we have 3 plates times 5 cookies on one plate, we will get 15 cookies on 3 plates. The associative property of multiplication is the property by which the product remains unchanged no matter how the numbers being multiplied are grouped, so that A times B times C equals A times B times C. We can see here that 4 times 2 is 8, times 3 is 24, which also equals 4 times 2 times 3, which is 6, which is still 24. Example number 1. Use the associative property to rewrite each expression, solve using this, then complete the number sentences. 30 times 24, the number 30, can be decomposed into 3 times 10 times 24. Using the associative property, we can move the parentheses to be around the 10 and 24 instead of the 3 and 10. On the place value chart, we will show 24 as 2 10s and 4 1s. We can multiply 10 times 24 by shifting each number one place value to the left. Now we have 2 in the hundreds and 4 in the tens. To multiply this by 3, we are going to do this 3 times in each of the place values. We can see here that there is a bundle of 10 in the tens place, so we are going to move this over to the hundred and add one more dot to the hundreds place. Now we can solve our problem. Now we can see here that there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hundreds, and there are 1, 2 tens, and there are 0 ones. So 30 times 24 is 720. Let's try another example. Use the associative property to rewrite the expression, solve using this, then complete the number sentence. 20 times 41, we can decompose 20 to be 2 times 10 times 41. Since 41 is the largest number in this expression, we want to add this one into our place value chart. So let's put the parentheses around the 10 times 41. On our place value chart, we will put 4 in the tens place and 1 in the ones place. When multiplying a number by 10, we know we can just shift the numbers over one place value to the left. Now we have 4 in the hundreds place and 1 in the tens. To multiply this by 2, we will just do it twice. Now we can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in the hundreds place, 2 in the tens place, and 0 in the ones. So now we know that 20 times 41 is 820. Let's try one more example. Use the associative property to rewrite the expression, solve using this, then complete the number sentences. In this one, we have 30 times 34. We see here that 30 has already been decomposed into 3 times 10 times and we know this will be 34. For the next one, we know because of the associative property, we can move those parentheses to be around the 10 times 34. Now let's show this in our place value chart. 34 can be shown by placing 3 in the tens and 4 in the ones. When we multiply by 10, we know that we can just shift these numbers one place value to the left. Now we have 3 in the hundreds place and 4 in the tens. To multiply this by 3, we are going to do this 3 times. We can also see now that there is a bundle of 10 in our tens place, so we can move these over to equal 1 100. Now we also have a bundle of 10 in the hundreds place, so we will move this over to make 1 1000. Now we can see we have 1000, 0 hundreds, 2 tens, and 0 ones. So 30 times 34 is 1020. Resources used for this Mathcast is engageny.org, the Mathcast Learning Center Math Vocabulary app, and our book Mathematics for Elementary Teachers 5th edition. Thanks for watching. This was created by Rebecca Lugo.